Hey guys, it's Tyler here, and today we have another package from Tesla that I ordered. So we'll go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. If I remember right, I believe this is the wind-up Cybertruck. So we'll find out. Let me just cut this back up. So there we have some bubble wrap. Set that aside. Yep, it's a Cybertruck wind-up racer. So let's go ahead and open this up. So that's what the box looks like. It's Tesla and then Cybertruck wind-up racer. Cybertruck wind-up racer made on Earth by humans, and then all the specifications of it. So we'll go ahead and open this up, and that's what it looks like. It's pretty nice. Oh, it even has the broken windows from the unveiling of it. So it's kind of cool. Little Easter egg there. That's what it looks like. With the Cybertruck logo. Very cool, and it's 1 to 43rd scale of the car. So that means for every 1 inch on this, it equals 43 inches on the actual Cybertruck. So to get this going, we just wind it up. And it'll go like that. Seems to go pretty quick, so I'll just wind it up a little bit. Hopefully I'll be able to catch it. So we'll do that. Oh, gotta wind it up a little more. Oops, maybe not. Okay. So there it goes. Alright. So it does seem to go a lot slower when it's on the ground. Maybe if I wind it up a little more, it'll go faster. Alright, let's see. There we go. Obviously, I'm just doing it on a desk, so it's not going to go that far. But that's a cool little toy we have there from Tesla. So that's, again, the Cybertruck wind-up toy. I'll go ahead and link a page so that way you can get all the details, and if they are still in stock, you can go ahead and buy your own. So that's what it looks like. And if it goes for $35, it does look like they're still in stock. So again, I'll go ahead and link in the description below so you can go ahead and buy one if you so choose. And if you like this video, you can give it a like, comment, or subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you, and bye.